We're stuck. We're stuck with the yodeling for the rest of our lives. Yodeling. This might be what hell is like. Oh, there we go. Gentlemen, it's time for Dole Whips round 2. Without rum this time though. How small of a world is it? Yeah, how small of a world do you think it is?
So small that one nuclear winter will take out all of the world's children.
Man, this just got dark. Just bring Laura into the vlog and we just get real dark. How small of a world do you think it is?
Too small.
What about the atmosphere? Loved it, as always.
Somebody killed a lion and is wearing it as a backpack.
We're gonna do a little boat orientation for everyone. Everyone do me a favor and look up. That's the top of the boat. Now look down. That is in fact the bottom of the boat. Now, if those two at any time switch and the top becomes the bottom becomes the top, swim. Yeah. Everybody can swim, right? Yeah. If you can't swim, look at the person next to you. They will act as your flotation device. Now, who here thinks the captain should go down with the ship? Okay, guys, if we go down for whatever reason, she's the captain. Yeah, I'm a skipper, so like first sign of danger, I will be skipping out.
Rob can't move by not moving anymore. This is so sad.
Yeah, this should get...
Oh no.
It's my first time without the moving.
It's weird.
I miss it now more than ever.
Exercise. It's some exercise.
I know exercise. We've been exercising all day.
Stretch those legs.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of everyone here at Magic Kingdom, we thank you for joining us today for a magical gathering of family, friends, fun, and fantasy. We hope that your magical journey with us has created wonderful memories that will last a lifetime. Walt Disney said that the Magic Kingdom is a world of imagination, hopes, and dreams. In this timeless land of enchantment, magic and make-believe are reborn, and fairy tales come true. The Magic Kingdom is a place for the young and the young at heart. A special place where when you wish upon a star, your dreams do come true. Until we see you again, have a safe trip home. Thank you and good night.
So long, everybody.
Nikki, how was your day?
It was fantastic.
It's your last day.
Fantastic. 3 days at Disney World.
Did we do right by you? Did we get you a lot of things? And
I'm just kidding. It was fantastic. They really treated me right.
Oh, good. How was your day, Kat?
It was great. Oh my gosh. This was like, we did so much.
We did. I was shocked at how much we got to do.
It was a really fun day.
How's your day, Rob?
It's
Wow.
not Coney Island.
Get out of here. Laura, how's your day?
I feel like we took a full Disney trip
Today.
This guy is just
We did so much.
just interrupting you right now. We still have like 4 more days. 4 more relaxing days, I guess.
Yeah, let's take it easy.
Trails in tomorrow.
Enjoy.
I think my chest agrees with that.